Hey guys, Nathan McCullough here, coming from the USA, and I have been a member of the Halkyon Guild for about a year and a half now. I took a course on Heidegger and technology, German idealism, and now getting ready to embark on a journey through Heidegger's magnum opus, Being in Time, beginning in January, the third week of January 2023. And I was a master's in philosophy and started a PhD program at the University of Southern Illinois. And I left academic philosophy in 2008 for a number of different reasons. The financial collapse happened, and also just kind of got jaded with the academic game. In the world of philosophy, it had gotten out, it had gotten away from a love of wisdom for me. And I had fallen out of love with being. And in the last year and a half, Johannes has ignited the fire for philosophy in me again by the way that the Halkyon Guild approaches philosophical study, which is outside of an academic institution. So it's literally a group of people that get together to study philosophy for the sake of studying philosophy and for the sake of discovering our relationship to the beginning of the the Western tradition in general, what it means to think, what it means to philosophize. So I found my philosophical home in the Halkyon Guild. I love like Plato said, right? When two sticks rub together, the fire that emerges is something beautiful. So these courses take place in dialectic fashion and dialogos, people being in communication about a text. And we work with primary sources, and it's just an incredible journey to participate in the uncovering of meaning within these texts, and just a wonderful experience. So I recommend highly participation in the Halkyon Guild with Johannes Niederhauser.